right, this video is all about finding the circumference of a circle. So there are two different formulas that you might see for finding circumference of a circle. The first one is that circumference is pi times the diameter. So that could be one. The other that you might see is 2 pi r. 2 times pi times the radius. Now we have to remember that we are going to be using 3.14 for pi. We're just rounding it to make it so much easier for us, for our calculators, because again, we don't know what calculator you're using, so this is a way we can get around that. So let's do an example. Let's say that my circle has a diameter of 5. All right. So if my circle has a diameter of 5, I could say that the circumference is 3.14 times the diameter, which is 5. So we have 3.14 times 5, and that would be 15.7. So if they give me the diameter, simple as that. Now let's say instead of that, this time we were given the radius. So my radius is going to be 5 this time. So I'm going to use my other formula, and I'm going to say the circumference is 2 times pi. My goodness, let me make this look better. 2 times pi times my radius, which is 5. So 2 times 3.14 times 5, and I get 31.4. Now, if I wanted to use the other formula instead, I could have said that the circumference was the diameter, 3.14 pi times the diameter, and since the radius is 5, if we went all the way across, it would be 10. So we could actually do it either way and we'd get the same number. You just have to make sure you're being really careful. Let me type that in nicely. You just have to make sure you're being really careful that you're looking at whether it is the radius or the diameter. You can use either formula as long as you're just being careful about that. So that is how you find the circumference of a circle.